I actually do cuss a little.
What's your favorite curse word?
Probably fuck.
Yo, bro, who got you smiling like that? Mad happy.
Oh, Chad.
Yo.
Let me add a little bit of spice to that.
Oh, hi. Wait a minute. Who are you?
Eat your vegetables!
Just go to the office.
What I do?
Go, just go.
What I till it's cool. Nice. And there's my brother, he's doing the same. Nice.
I have rapped in a program I did, a Weird Weekends episode about rap. My money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I'd like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It makes me want to dribble dribble. Riding in my Fiat, you really have to see it. 6'2" in a compact.